Alright, it's October 30th, and working in the morning, early in the morning, and that is my new Anvil Stand. I haven't got the anvil mounted yet, but that's the stand. So we got a piece of half-inch plate down there on the bottom, and those are 4 6x6 by 3/16 channels. 6x6 by 3/16 channels. 4 of them stacked up together, and round 1/4. So I'm thinking about putting 3 little legs, square tubing legs, up underneath it, and that right there is a removable lid. I guess I can always put something else up there. Pop this lid off and pop another lid on. The reason I did the lid, somebody said you might want to fill it up with sand to deaden the sound, but it's not too bad like it is. The other thing is I built this 2 inches thick there, so I can always take me a piece of plywood and slide it up underneath there, and that'll surely deaden the sound. Or I'll put some plywood up top, or a piece of board or something up top. Anyway, there's tonight's project, anvil stand for the new anvil, and there's the forge we've been playing around with a little bit with the sidearm burner, and you can't see back in the back. Well, we got the brick back in there right now, but anyway, and I'm not going to show you the first pair of tongs I ever made. Cheers. Just want to do a sound check, because that looks like that'd be noisy, right? No, hold it the other way. Right here. Not bad. It's not secured. It's not secured yet. But under that removable head right there is some 1x6 deck boards. There's a removable head. So I think that'll work.
Yep.
Cheers.